Hello everyone! Welcome to the LiTech channel. Today we will show how to connect the ESS battery pack and Deye inverter. First, we see the Deye inverter that has been installed on the wall. At the bottom of the inverter, we can see the internal wiring definition of the inverter. Before connecting the wiring harness, we prepare the required wires and accessories as follows. Now, let's get started. Opening the cover of the inverter, we can see the internal structure, and each connection port also has a corresponding definition. Pass the terminal wires through the corresponding ports at the bottom of the inverter, and tighten the positive and negative terminals in sequence. Then connect the grid harness, paying attention to the line definition. Connect the load harness. Plug in the communication terminal. Connect the CT module wiring harness, and then pass the L wire of grid through the CT module, paying attention to the direction of the CT module. Well, now all the internal wires of the inverter are completed. Next, we need to connect the battery packs in parallel. We have prepared 351.2100 HESS batteries. First, we turn on the battery switch and check the voltage of each battery module to ensure that the voltage of all battery modules is consistent before parallel connection. Then we turn off the battery pack and connect the battery packs in parallel. We use custom bus bars to connect the cells in parallel in sequence. And then install sheaths to prevent accidental short circuits. After the parallel connection is completed, connect the main positive and main negative terminals of the battery module. Connect a communication interface in parallel. And then turn on the battery switch in sequence. Now that everything is ready, connect the terminals of the battery and the inverter. Then connect the communication interface and turn on the inverter switch. Wait for the inverter to start working. Connect the GRID to the socket. Wait for the inverter to start working. Disconnect GRID. Connect the load and supply power through the battery pack. Connect the PV module. Turn on the switch and start charging through the solar module.